or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair related content, especially with wigs. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we have another synthetic wig review, and it is another unit from Outre. I think it's one that I haven't tried before. It is the Outre Lace Front Deluxe Premium Synthetic Fiber Wig. It is a deeper hand-tied edges, extra natural lace part wig. I'm reviewing this unit in the style AVALON, and I have her in the color DR4 / Blonde Golden Honey. So with this unit, I am reviewing it in two different colors. This one that you see here and another color that you will see later. So make sure you stick around for both of the colors. Now, she is a good 26 inches. So yes, we got some inches going on today. So let's go ahead and dive right on into the unboxing, installing, and styling of Miss AVALON.
It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year. My winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Alright y'all, so let's get into my thoughts on Miss AVALON. Super cute style. It's like a nice little body wave flow with the hair flowing back away from the face. Love that. Love the dark root, but this root is more of like a reddish brown. I mean, it's really pretty. You would think that it's just brown, but it has like a little reddish tint to it as well. Look at my little edges coming up, but I think it's super pretty. I love the roots on this because I don't think I've had one like this where it's like a reddish brown. It's usually like just like a black or a brown, but I like the reddish brown. Now, I'm not one that would typically grab a blondish color unit, but I was super curious about this blonde golden honey because golden honey is one of my favorite colors from Outre. So for them to add blonde to it, I was like, well, let me see what this hitting on. And it is a beautiful color, I must say. I always say brown girls can wear blonde. So if you're one of those brown girls that's a little intimidated or whatever the case may be, girl, get out of that. Put your blonde on, okay? We can all wear blonde, okay? It goes without melanin as well. Yes, ma'am. I am here to vouch for it. Now, I will admit I'm not the biggest fan of this blondish color. I don't know. It's a little too golden for my taste. I probably would prefer, I don't know, a different variation of blonde. I'm not the biggest fan of this particular blonde mix, but it's not horrible. I mean, it's not bad. It's just not my cup of tea. Luckily, I have another color that we are going to tap into momentarily so we can see what the other color is hitting on as well. Now, I absolutely love the ease of this wig. I am wearing her glueless. I just kind of added some swoops here on the sides. Like, you can rock this glueless. There is no glue involved. I did bobby pin the sides down just to keep her in place. You know what I did not do? But it looks so good, I might not need to. Again, I did not put any powder in my parting space, y'all. Go figure. I'm going to do it anyway, just to see if it makes a difference. But I feel like you don't need to. That's how good this lace is. You know, the color underneath. Well, I did tint it underneath, so that's helpful too. But yeah, it's blending very nicely. But I'm still going to add it because it's just my normal, right? Like, you just gotta follow all the steps you normally would, right? That's just me. I'm a habit chick. I'm a habit chick. Let's see if it brightens it. It really didn't. I don't think it brightened it at all. So you can very well get away with not having to put anything in the parting space, because I feel like I didn't really need to do that. So, preferential, your choice. I feel like this cat size is definitely all hair friendly. She is quite spacious, y'all. The ear tabs did come down ear to ear, and I had to cut off a little extra of that. So I would definitely say, you know, my bigger hair friends, you got one. This is for you too. Now, I have not been experiencing a whole lot of tangling. I pretty much just glide right on through, but honey, the shedding is real. It could definitely be because of this blondish color that tends to cause a little more shedding than natural colors, but we're shedding quite a bit, y'all. I'm just being honest. You know how I am. I'm gonna tell you all the tea. So the texture of this hair is definitely giving me yaki vibes. I'm not getting a whole ton of silk with this one. We got some yak going on up in here. It got a little texture to it for sure. And the luster is really nice too. It may be coming off a pinch shiny on camera, but it's really not shiny at all where I'm looking at it in my mirror. So let's jump into the price. This is one of those more affordable units where you can cop her at between $30 to $40. I think that's very reasonable for your typical synthetic wig. No, you don't have like the free parting space and none of that, but it's quite nice. And they did very well with the hairline, might I add. The fact that I didn't have to go in and pluck it any further. That's a big pro for me, because you know me, I'm a little extra and I be having to pluck everything, but I didn't pluck this one. And I feel like it looks pretty decent. All right, so now that we got all of the details out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and switch into this second color. I'm not gonna go into how I installed it or anything, because you saw it with this one. I'm just gonna come back with the other color, and here we go. Bam! All right, y'all, so this is the other color, and this is DRFF / Hazelnut. Absolutely love this color, y'all. Like, I've reviewed this color so many times and I love it. I definitely love this one better than the blonde golden honey. Yeah, this is it for me. This just complements the melanin a little better, in my opinion. Like, it is gorgeous to me, in my humble opinion, y'all. This is just me stating my truth. But y'all tell me, which color you like better? You like this hazelnut color, or you like the golden blonde? You know, we got a lot of golden blonde lovers out there too, so I am so curious to know which one you like, sis. Let me know. Let's chat about it. Let me know down in the comments. So there's not a whole lot different from this one than the other one, with the exception of I'm not getting as much shedding, and that's probably due to the color. Even though it is a colored wig, I'm not getting as much shedding as I did with the blonde color. Whoo, honey, that was a lot. But this one, nah, this one's good to go, y'all. I could just glide. She is gorgeous. This is your easy breezy throw on and go type of wig. We are not melted once again. Like, I just kind of threw her on. I ain't even do no swoops this time. Like, this is one of them ones. And the price range is right. Like, you cannot lose with this one. Gorgeous unit right here, and affordable. Let me throw in a little plug that I did have like a Black Friday or Black Friday weekend sale, wig sale. Some wigs I am selling that I have only probably reviewed on my channel, and now I'm selling them. These may or may not be included. I'm not so sure yet. I haven't made up my mind, but feel free to check out that link. That link is always down in the description box. So check it out. It might be something you're interested in that you can get at a discounted rate. So check it out, sis. All right, good people. So that's pretty much all that I have. As usual, you already know I want to know your thoughts. I already told you I want to know your thoughts. So let me know what you're thinking down in the comments below. Let's chat about this baby right here. In both colors. We just gonna talk about it. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, sis, if you have not. And I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.
I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland.